Add an affiliate link to the video description for YouTube Shorts and you will earn loads of money. That is the common advice you get when looking for affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts videos. In reality, the truth is that you don't get any views to your YouTube Shorts video. Even if you get a few video views, no one actually clicks on the affiliate link. In the end, you don't make any money with affiliate marketing and give up using YouTube Shorts to promote affiliate products. What if I told you, I found a way to solve that problem? You can use YouTube Shorts for affiliate marketing if you use the right strategy. I will show you step by step what works so that you can use this affiliate marketing method and actually make money. I will also give you a few bonus tips that I learned from experience which increases earnings. So pay close attention and follow these exact steps. This affiliate marketing strategy will work with any affiliate product. For the purpose of this video, I will use a clickbank product. Let me select an affiliate product in the fitness niche and walk you through how to do this. One of the biggest mistakes people make when promoting affiliate products on YouTube is creating YouTube Shorts based on the affiliate product. Review type of YouTube Shorts does not work. You need to create a YouTube Shorts video that's entertaining related to fitness or gives out information that will be useful to a viewer. You don't need to show your face on video, you don't even need video editing skills. There is an easy way to create videos from various YouTube Shorts templates that already work. You can use this tool, select a related template. This is called InVideo, and I will leave a link in the video description below. Let's say this video is about fitness tips. You can edit the text, add related images and videos, and make it look like a professional video that people will want to watch. If you want to get loads of video views, you need to make the video engaging. You need to keep the viewer watching your video till the end. I shared all my secrets to getting views with YouTube Shorts a few weeks ago. Follow the steps I mentioned in that video to actually get views to your YouTube Shorts video. Pay close attention. The next part is important if you want to make money with YouTube Shorts. When uploading the video, don't add your affiliate link to the video description. You need to understand the reason people are watching YouTube Shorts. They are not in the mindset of buying anything. They are watching YouTube Shorts for entertainment or to learn something. Even if they like the product you promote, they are probably not in a position to make an online transaction at that time and will forget about your video later. So you need a different strategy other than just adding your affiliate link on YouTube Shorts videos. The strategy one used has worked out well and you can get started for free. What you need to do is to collect the viewer's email address so that you can follow up later. For example, I will create something like this. You can also create a similar page like this to collect email addresses without any experience. I have tried this with various websites and have now settled with GetResponse. If you don't have an account, click the link in the description and create a free account. You can get a 30-day free trial, which is good to try out affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. The best thing is that you don't need to enter any credit card details, so there is no excuse. Get started today and follow along with this video. Once you start making money with affiliate marketing, you can reinvest that money back and get the paid version. The basic version is sufficient to get started. Once you sign up, you will see a dashboard like this. Click on the menu and then under Growth Tools, click on Landing Pages. You can build a landing page by scratch, or you can select any of these templates and just edit it. I have created a detailed video on how to do this previously, so I won't repeat it in this video. Watch this video and when it is complete, you get a link to the page. That is the link you need to add to the YouTube Shorts video when you upload. The next step is the most important part. This is where you follow up with the viewer who entered their email address. If you use a clickbank product, they have a resource page where they provide email swipes. Download those email swipes or write your own email. It is in the email that you add your affiliate link. Just one email is not sufficient to make money with affiliate marketing. You need to follow up with an email sequence. If you use GetResponse, you can use something called an autoresponder. You will be able to track if the viewer opened your email, clicked on your affiliate, and based on that, create a follow-up email. This is one of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing because you can track what the viewer does and accordingly send emails. Affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts is just one way to promote affiliate products for free. Here are some other ways. Watch this video next.